Welcome to Infi and RINIF Time Pass channel. I have so much work to do. Hmm. It's time for checking Lico. Let's go and check him. Whoa, Lico is looking a little bit different. I mean, he's a dot. Go back to work. But he's still a little bit dirty. We need to check him. Let's say to him, let's off it. Hi, Lico. I don't know how to talk with animals. Lico, you look a little bit dirty. You need to take a bath. Do you know that? Are you ready to do that? Meow, meow. Lico, don't run. Lico, don't run. Lico. He's hiding by the stand. Can we come here there? Lico, come here. Lico, Lico, don't run. Lico, don't run there. Lico. Now you should take a bath, right? Ow. Okay, come on, Lico. It's time to take a bath. Let's go inside your bathtub. Oh, it's not fitting. Come on. Come on. Now it's okay. I'm sure I need to buy you a new bathtub. Let's go to my bathtub so you can take a fresh bath over there. Here, drop it. Okay, Lico. Now the soap is coming right up, flying to you. Let's take a bath with the bubbles. Okay, we're done taking a bath. Where's the hair dryer? Oh, here it is. Okay, start up. Okay, now done. Let's set up there. Now you should comb your hair and you can fresh up and we can go and eat our lunch. Where's it? Oh, here. Comb. Hair comb for pets. Okay, and we are done. I did this. Hope we are done. Now we can go and eat our lunch. Finally. Now I'm free from this. Come on, Lico, we can go. Going to the elevator. Till 5 minutes. Till 5 minutes. Done. Okay, we are here. And I'm gonna put you some cat food. It will be good. And done. And the milk here. I can pour some milk that I can drink. Okay. Let me keep it over here. Now we can eat our lunch. What we can do for the lunch? Oh, I know. peanut sandwich. It's kind of good. It's gonna be tasty and it's gonna be good. I know that. Let's check it out. Now bread and peanut butter. We need a spoon. Done. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can done with it. Now in plate. I need a drink. What drink I can make? A hot chocolate. Yep, a hot chocolate with milk. It's kind of good. We got over here everything we want. Let's put it up in there and we can mix that. Go inside. Okay, it's done. It looks very tasty. Very excited to eat that. Something on the side. Oh, here, I can sit over here. Finally, I can go with the lunch. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. Please subscribe to my channel and please like. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye.